Hello students, I, Mrs. Usha Jadhav, your accounts teacher, welcomes you all in online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Societies, BYK College of Commerce, Nasik. Today we will do one more practical problem on admission of partner. Hope that you have understood all the accounting problems and you have enjoyed my lecture. So let us begin for today's lecture. Students, today we will do this problem on admission. Let us read the problem. I would suggested you take the screenshot of this slide first, okay, and complete it. Then let us begin. Now here the balance sheet of Paresh and Naresh is given and the date of the balance sheet is 31st March 2012 and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Observe the balance sheet. In that reserve fund is given. If you remember that, what should we do with this problem? General reserve distribute to all partners, right? We distribute it in their profit sharing ratio, correct? Now after this read out the adjustment. Here new partner named Dinesh is admitted into the firm on 1st April 2012 into the partnership firm. First adjustment, Dinesh should bring in rupees 36,000 as her capital for 1/5 share in future profits. Second adjustment, valuation of goodwill of the firm was to be made as 2.5 years purchase of the average profit of last 3 years, which were as follows. First year rupees 32,000, second year and third year rupees 49,000. Dinesh is to bring the goodwill in cash equal to his share in future profits. It means here we have to calculate the goodwill of the firm, correct? So we will do it later. Now there are adjustment on building, stock, plant and machinery and debtors. Building, stock and RDD. Okay, students, you have to understood some important points here. To understand some important points here while solving any problem on the admission. First, always check profit sharing ratio and its calculation. Second, now in this problem there is a no need to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Correct? Second, analyze the goodwill adjustment. This given problem we should calculate the goodwill. After that, analyze the revaluation in assets and liabilities. And last is what is expected to draw here is general entries. Okay. So let us move to the calculation of goodwill. Student, first and foremost things is here that goodwill is brought by new partner in cash and retained in the balance business, right? So tell me, what should we general entries pass? Entry should be pass cash or bank account debit to goodwill account. Narration, being goodwill brought in cash by new partner. Second entry, goodwill account debit to old partner's capital or current account. Narration, being goodwill credited to old partners in their old ratio. Now let us understand the calculation of goodwill. Students, in given problem, 3 years profit is given. So firstly take the total of all profit divided by 3. Because number of years is 3, so we will get average profit. Is that 45,000. Average profit, number of years, total profit divided by number of years. So we will get average profit is that 45,000. Next step is to find out goodwill. Tell me, what is the formula of goodwill? Is equal to average profit into 2.5 years purchase. Goodwill is equal to 45,000 into 5 upon 2 is equal to rupees 1,12,500. Dinesh share in goodwill is equal to 1,12,500 into 1/5 share in future is equal to rupees 22,500. General reserve is equal to 10,000. For a share is equal to 10,000 into 3/5 is equal to 6,000. 5 to the 10, 2,000 into 3, 6,000. And Naresh is equal to 10,000 into 2/5 means 5 to the 10 into 2 is equal to 4,000. Let us move to first entry. Reserve fund account debit 10,000 to Paresh capital account 6,000 to Naresh capital account 4,000. Narration, being reserve fund distributed to all partners in their profit sharing ratio. Second entry, cash or bank account debit 36,000 to Dinesh capital account 36,000. Narration, being capital brought by new partner. Third entry, cash or bank account debit 22,500 to goodwill account 22,500. Narration, being goodwill brought by new partner. Before going to pass next entry, firstly distribute the goodwill among partners. Right? Goodwill is equal to 22,500. Paresh is equal to 22,500 into 3/5 is equal to 13,500. Naresh is equal to 22,500 into 2/5 is equal to 9,000. Fourth entry, goodwill account debit 22,500 to Paresh capital account 13,500 to Naresh capital account 9,000 being goodwill retained and credited to all partners capital account. Now next entry is asset revalued. So entry should be bank account debit side to balance brought down 500 to Dinesh capital account 36,000 goodwill brought Dinesh, so goodwill account 22,500 total 59,000 debit side and 59,000 credit side. By balance carried down 59,000. Now next entry is asset revalued. So entry should be pass. Revaluation account debit 2,500 to RDD account 500 to stock account 200 being decrease in the value of stock and RDD. Next, building is appreciated. Entry should be pass. Building account debit 2,200 to revaluation account 2,200. Narration being appreciated building by 5%. After giving the effect of revaluation, time to find out whether it profit or loss. But here is the loss of rupees 300. So this loss is transferred to partners capital account. Paresh capital account debit 180. Naresh capital account debit 120 to revaluation account 300. Narration being loss on revaluation transfer to capital account. Total of journal 96,000 debit and 96,000 credit. General because the entries all partners account transfer the loss. After completing all the entries, it should the total of the journal because without total journal is here incompleted. Journal is never be completed, right? So total of journal is 96,000 debit side and credit side. Revaluation account debit side to stock account 2,000 to RDD account 500. Total of debit side 2,500. Credit side by building is appreciated 2,200. Total of credit side 2,500 less 2,200. Remaining balance is 300 transferred to all partners capital account. By Paresh account 180, by Naresh account 120. Last but not least, we have to draw the balance sheet. Firstly, debt is very crucial while solving the admission of partners problem. So here is the balance sheet as on 1st April 2012. Read all the balance sheet with total. First liability side, capital account Paresh 91,320, Naresh 60,880, Dinesh 36,000, total outer 1,88,200, sundry creditors 30,000, liability side total 2,18,200, asset side building is appreciated, so add appreciation 2,200, 44,000 plus 2,200, outer 46,200, investment 24,000, plant 30,000, stock inner side 17,000, less reduction 2,000, outer side 15,000, sundry debtors 45,000, less RDD 1,000, outer 44,000, and last cash 59,000. Total 2,18,200. Balance sheet is completed. Here is the similar sum which is given in your textbook. Try this problem as homework. So do this problem in your account notebook for your better understanding. Hope you understood all the problem and its analyzing entries. For better understanding, watch all my videos carefully. Thank you for watching.